Anna, listen to me now. Today our Diwali vacation starts and we need to enjoy these vacations. Should we call our friends for a sleepover? We have just finished our exam. Tell me now. It's a great idea, Elsa. All our friends at home and we will have so much of fun and mom will make cookies for us. Wow. And at night we'll also play something. Oh no, Elsa. No, Anna. You're not supposed to call your friends before Diwali here. We need to clean our house before Diwali so that it's ready for Lakshmi Pujan. You know why we clean our home before Diwali? Because Goddess Lakshmi, who is the prosperity and wealth goddess, resides in cleanliness. So, in order to get wealth into our home and prosperity into our home, we need to clean our home. Understood? Oh, yes, Mom. I understand now. Cleaning is very important before Diwali. We will help you. Yes, girls. So now let's get up and clean both the rooms, our living room and the bedrooms, okay? Let's start.
Okay, Auntie.
So let me and Aunt do the dusting and deep cleaning, and you and Elsa use the vacuum cleaner to clean the floors, okay?
Okay, Auntie.
Anna, don't you think it's fun cleaning the rooms and everything using the vacuum cleaner? It's quick also. And you know what? I'm enjoying it. Yes, Elsa. I didn't know cleaning is also a fun activity with the family. I think it is clean enough now. We should stop the vacuum cleaners, don't you think, Anna? Yes, I think it is clean now. Let us now start with the TV and the TV unit. We are done with the bookshelf. I think it is looking good now. Hush. We are now done with the living room. Let's start now with the bedroom, which is the big room now. I should also start cleaning. Anna has already started. I should help her. Oh, don't worry, Elsa. I started because Mom was dusting this side and the dirt was falling on the ground. The floor should also be clean, right? That's the reason. It's fun though. I think we are done with the cleaning. It is looking very clean. Our entire home, the living room and the bedroom is looking clean. Well done, girls. Thank you for the help.